Ever wondered why your ATV isn't performing at its peak? Could it be a lack of routine maintenance? Welcome to a guide that will show you how to keep your all-terrain vehicle in tip-top shape. First and foremost, clean your ATV regularly. This isn't just about aesthetics. Dirt and mud can hide potential problems and cause damage over time. Use a gentle stream of water and a soft brush to remove dirt, especially in hard-to-reach areas. Dry it thoroughly to prevent rusting. Next, check the tire pressure. Incorrect tire pressure can affect your ATV's handling, performance, and even fuel efficiency. Use a tire pressure gauge to ensure the pressure is within the manufacturer's recommended range. Remember, do this when the tires are cold, as heat can cause the pressure to increase. Now, onto the engine oil. This is the lifeblood of your ATV. Regularly check the oil level with the dipstick and change it according to the manufacturer's guidelines. A sudden drop in oil level or a change in color can indicate a problem. Next in line is the air filter. A clean air filter ensures that your engine gets the clean air it needs to perform efficiently. Remove the air filter, clean it with a filter cleaner, and re-oil it before putting it back. Let's not forget the brakes. Check the brake pads for wear and tear. If they're worn down, replace them. Also, ensure that the brake fluid is at the recommended level. The next step involves the chain. A well-lubricated and correctly tensioned chain ensures smooth transmission. Clean the chain with a brush, then apply a suitable chain lubricant. Lastly, check the coolant level in the radiator. This prevents the engine from overheating. Top it up if needed, and remember to use the right type of coolant. To summarize, maintaining an ATV involves regular cleaning, checking tire pressure, engine oil, air filter, brakes, chain, and coolant level. With these easy-to-follow steps, you can ensure your ATV performs at its peak and prolongs its lifespan. Remember, routine maintenance is not a chore, it's an investment into your ATV's performance and longevity. It's about knowing your ride well and keeping it ready for any adventure that comes your way. Happy riding!